Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm at Nyugati, and I'm just pronouncing it the way it looks like for me, and I'm sure this is wrong, but this is like, I think the biggest train station in Hungary, or in Budapest anyway, Nyugati. I did Kaleti earlier, but let's do this one too. Let me show this, turn this camera around. And it looks like it's getting a facelift right now. But there's a metro stop here, a couple of them, and then there's a tram station, bus station. So everything kind of hits right here. Let me see if I can cross the street over here. And then we'll go look inside. Here we go. Perfect timing. So this one looks bigger than the other one. Wow. So it's interesting. A lot of the train stations, because I've been in like a million of them all over the world, they tend to have a lot of the shops inside this area so that you can grab food or whatever and then take it with you. But this place doesn't. It seems to have shops on the outside. Don't get me wrong, there's still a few shops. Like I see a Western Union over there, but I don't see just a ton of shops. It's nice that it's covered and out of the weather, but and almost everything is in Hungary, obviously. It's a big place. Let's go down one of these side things and see if there's any shops down here. You know, because this is like the Rome station where there's, you know, more tracks down past this. So this is like the major five go all the way in, and then the other ones kind of stop outside. But like I said, there's not a lot of shops here on the left. They're all just kind of, you know, office buildings or whatever. But yeah, different. But there's a million shops on the outside too, though. So I mean, sure, you're not far from anything. So this is the way you say that word, or the way that word looks. Nyugati. So I'm 1,000% sure that that's not the way they say it here in Budapest. But I'll spell it correctly on the description on YouTube. So as I was telling you, you see this is track 10 right here in front of me. But if you look left, there's a 9, an 8, a 7, a 6, a 5, a 4, and this is on the left side. So 1 is way down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So they're all there. So there's probably 9 on this side, 5 or 6 in the middle, and then another, you know, 9 or 10 on the other side too. And that's another thing I noticed too, that there's not really, well, I haven't seen any windows that let you, you know, just go up, well, I guess maybe, no, that's food. So you have to really buy your tickets from these machines. And so some are international, I think, and some are, or not international, but some are local and further away. Okay, everybody. Nyugati. Nyugati train station. And again, there's two of them. This one and Coletti. Okay. Thanks for coming along, everybody. It's pretty clean, which is really nice. And it looks pretty nice. Okay. Budapest gets a thumbs up for keeping things pretty clean. Okay. Bye, everybody. So the train station's gorgeous. I mean, it's really got great colorful bricks and all those kind of things. And it really is very big. It really takes up more of this corner than any other buildings. And I was going to say that right next to it, they have all these stores. So they've got grocery stores and all sorts of different things. So you really aren't far from anything. And so there's a grocery store right there. There's markets and food and places to sit and smoke and cigarettes and restaurants and everything else, which is pretty nice. So you can see how many shops there are down there. Tons of them. And you can see how pretty the buildings are too. So it's really a nice train station. Most of them are, a lot of them I've been to have been not nearly as nice. I mean, there's not even trash on the ground or anything. So they really do a great job of keeping it clean, which is just wonderful. Go Budapest. Wow. Yeah, you can't miss this building. It's right on the corner of a huge busy intersection too. So anyway, that's it for me. Bye, everybody. Bye.